Okay, so actually I had a recording before and it got really bad. Like I didn't know I didn't have audio on. So let's go. So this is the game. We have like four cards: conquer, fight, customize, and learn. So for conquer, you have a bunch of we have the story mode, you have the Tower of Time, we have the classic tower, and the crypt. You can go through all these cards, pretty much just play around with them and see what is in there. To rack up points, I strongly recommend you play Towers of Time games. Classic Tower is really good just to learn for learning, and the crypts to get some really nice gears. Okay, so if you want to fight locally, you go to fight and then you pretty much fight your friends. You can also fight online on under this card, and you can set up tournament under this card. AI battle is fun for a lot of people, but it's not so much fun for me. Customize. This is where you actually customize your character. So you can give them like you know what? Let's just play around with it a little bit. Let's customize character real quick. So here I'm going to customize my favorite character, Cabal. Then I'm going to change his. You see that you can tell that he's my favorite character. I've unlocked almost everything on him. No, not everything, but a bunch of stuff. So I think I'm gonna go with normal face and just keep going now. No, there. I like that one. Alright, looking horrible. Okay, honest mystery. Alright, that's that's not about customize. Just pretty much playing around with stuff and make it building up your character. So let's learn. So yeah, I'm going to select the player that I strongly recommend you play. You start with, which is Sonya Blade. She's really good, she's very solid, and she's a beginner character. I'm going to be fighting against Sub-Zero for learning purpose. Let's say okay. Okay, so the game is about punching, kicking, combos, blocking, flawless blocking, get up, attack, etc. Right? Fine. So the area where you can actually hit someone is what they call hitbox. So if you notice, if I try to punch from here, I will not connect because the hitbox cannot get there. But if I try to kick from here, I still can connect. But high kick, which is O, 0, or 4, hits from here. By the way, let's talk about the attack buttons. So there is square. Square is 1, right? 1, square. Triangle is 2 for PS4. You know, the button color and notification is different for different consoles. So that is why we just use numbers. So for square is 1, triangle is 2, X is 3, O is 4. Okay, let's go again. 1 square, triangle 2, 3 X, 4 O, 1 2. That is box triangle. It didn't do anything. 1 1. That is box box. You see that? Okay, that's fine. That's alright. So hitbox, the area where you can actually hit. Some characters have really wide hitboxes, and some have very small hitbox. So Sonya has a really small hitbox, so you have to be very close to attack your opponent. But it's fine. She has forward advancing combos. You see that? See the way she leans forward. All right. So now let's talk about the attack buttons. And to do that, I press pause, option, move list. Under move list, you see basic attack, combo attacks, special moves, and finishers. So the one you want to start with is the basic attack. So under this environment, you can see on this page on the right side, you see something called frame data at the bottom. Frame data, that is what you want to be very concerned about. Frame data. You can see that Square has a startup of 7, and it has a block advantage of -5. Any move that have with a block advantage of -5, it means once you press that button, you have to block if it didn't connect. For example, if I hit Sub-Zero and it actually doesn't connect, I will have to block. After this, if Sub-Zero blocks it, I have to block, right? I block. Okay, so that's the meaning. It's negative. Then back one is -4, down 1 is -3. So if someone is just hitting you, the best way to get out of it is down 1. Okay, like that. You poke out of it. So if someone is mounting pressure on you, the best way to get out is what? You poke out. Down 1. Okay, so down 1 will give you advantage back, and then you can start your combo. Like that. Alright, so don't worry, we get that, we're getting it. Okay, so we have standing 2, which is -9 on block. Like that, it's -9, but it has pushback, right? It's -9. And then another thing you really want to be very concerned about is the area of hit. So we have high attacks, that's the attack that goes high, right? High. And then we have mid attacks, that's the attack that goes mid, right? And then we have low attack, the attack that goes low. Okay, so what that means is if your opponent is standing and blocking, let's give it stance. If opponent is standing and blocking, if you try any high attack, it will not connect. There's another form of attack called overhead, right? Overhead, it will not connect as well, but a low attack will connect. Okay, because Sub-Zero was blocking. All right, so that's it. A low attack will connect. Okay, but a high attack will not connect. All right, so we have high attacks, we have low attacks. So the question is, which button gives me low attack? You have to check it out. So to check it, you come here and see, okay, this is a high. Look at on the right side up, you can see move data. That is C. You can see that X is a high. This is a low, back X. Oh, let's check it out. It's a low, okay? Back X is a low, down X is a low. What about 0? Okay, back O is also a low, which is back 4, right? Back 0. Down O is also a low. All right. So things that I press down with usually gives me low, right? But down triangle, which is down 2, is not a low. It's what they call uppercut, right? Down 2 is an uppercut. Uppercut. So you use uppercuts to sometimes get away from attacks, and sometimes to get maximum damage. And let me demonstrate what I mean. Go to player option and the reversal. I'm gonna go reversal attack through. All right. See that? Let's go again. Oh, don't mind me. I don't place one here. So it's fine. It's fine that I can miss it. Oh, right. Oh crap. Keep dropping it. She's not my main. Oh boy. Not enough. Okay, I need to wait a little bit. Yeah. 40% of down 2. So down 2 is really good. It's a very good attack. Yeah, that's another one. Okay, that's it. But Sonya Bay is really good. It's a very good character, very good. Let me set the air option to jump to me, right? Let's make him jump. Movement mode, jump. Okay. Okay. Alright. I dropped it. Like that. So you can't jump at her randomly. You're going to take this. You're going to take that. You take that. You can't jump at her randomly. She's really good. Alright. And then you can also do this. Like that. Alright. So we're going to demonstrate all of that in a bit. But for now, so those are the basic attacks. What you really want to be concerned about is frame data. It takes a while to learn, but don't worry, you get used to it. But for now, just know this. And the next thing is defending. How do I block? R2. Okay, R2. To block, you press R2. And always block. Most of the time, you should block low, because most attacks that leads to combo usually goes with low. Okay, so you block low. To block low, and if you know if there's an overhead coming, you stand up. Always block low. All right, so I'm gonna get rid of this. To off and reversal off. I'm gonna off this one as well. Random. I'm just gonna go random and still blocking option. Okay, and I need to stop his movement as well. Alright, so let's demonstrate some basic combo, right? Basic combo with Sonya Blade. So the first combo you want to learn is 1-3. Alright, 1-3. That is box X. So the next thing you want to do is 1-3, back forward triangle. Okay, 1-3. 1-3 into back forward triangle. Okay, let's make it even harder by 1-3 back forward triangle amplified. Amplified is just R1, right? R1. So 1-3. All right. So another one, forward 1, forward 1, forward 1 2. Sorry, forward 2 rather. Forward 2 1. Forward 2 1 3. Forward 2 1 4. Alright, let's pull the combo out. So the first one I demonstrated, which is the forward 2, this is back, forward 2 1 4. I'm looking for it. Forward 2. What's my okay, forward 2 1 4. This is it. So we select the combos we need with the star. All right, this is 4-2-1. I'm gonna start it as well. 1-3, which is the one I showed you earlier. 1-3, which is this one, and then 1-3, 1-3-4. 1-3-4. All right, 1-3-4 into back 1-2 ass whooping. Okay, ass whooping. That is a go-to combo. This is what you use in fire energy rings. All right, energy ring amplify, which is when you press R1. So the first combo we want to learn is forward 2 1 into 4. Okay, you can also do forward 2 1 into energy range, like that, to push your opponent away. Sonya has a really good projectile, and you can keep looping the projectile like that. All right, there's something called crushing blow. That's for later, but for now this is just an introduction tutorial. Just getting familiar with the buttons, you know. 1-3, 134. 134 into